It was something in the air tonight. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna do no makeup look. This look is good for summer, if you're on holiday, if you don't want to wear tons of makeup. So before we get to the video, please subscribe and follow me on my Instagram. And yes, let's get started. So in this look, skin preparation is very important. So I cleanse my skin and done my eye cream. This product is very new to me. It's Japanese #1 skincare line, not expensive at all. I bought it from Amazon. It's super hyaluronic acid, which you know all is really good for skin, and it's fragrance free. I done that one, and then I use Olay luminous SPF 13 top of this serum, and so now my skin nice and hydrated. So because we're not gonna wear foundation, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go with Byterry cellularose CC serum, or if you don't have that one, I have like alternative here. You can go with Beauty Blair with Vita. This one is last year one, and they done the new formula and yeah, you can use that one as well to give you such a nice glow. But before I go with this one, I am going to use Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist. This one again, they got hyaluronic acid. I just sprayed a little bit on my face and I let it to dry a little bit, and then I am going with this beautiful product, few pumps on the back of my hand, and then mini Realtechniques brush, and I just go all over my skin. We're using too much cream product because I just love cream product for summer, because it look like your skin when you apply it to your complexion. But I buff them so they just go inside my face. Okay, now I am happy with this one. Then I'm going with my concealer anywhere I need the concealer. I'm using Infaillible by Loreal in shade 330, like that. And then I just apply anywhere I need. Then I take my beauty blender and just blend that in. A little bit go over my eyelid. Okay, now the concealer on where I need it, but just make sure it's well blended. Right. And then in this step I'm going with my bronzer. My bronzer is again from Byterry, densilliss Sun Glow. Then again I just put in my dish 2 drops, and then I am going with my brush, which is by Realtechniques, and then I tap the excess back of my hand. Look at the color. We don't want to put too much, that's why I just blend it back of my hand, and then I am just dab it in on my high point of face. And then with my beauty blender, I just blend that in, so not sitting top of my skin, just melt it into my skin. It look like my skin is like healthy and glowy. And anything left on my brush, I just go over my eyelid very like gently. So now the bronzer on, I am going to use few product for my glow. You don't need to do that. I love to mix the product. And here I have Becca Shimmering Skin Befector Liquid, and here, which you just saw in my other video, I love Nip and Fab, the glow. This is very bronzy look, and this is like champagne color. So I do 1 drop in my dish, just 1. Look, I don't know if you can see, it's just 1 small. And then little bit of this bronzer, not too much, we don't need too much of that one. And then I'm not going to use the champagne one because I'm already used the Champagne Pop by Becca. And then we mix those one together. As I say, you don't need to use 2-3 product. I am loving to mix the product together with the small brush because I have more control if I use the small brush. And then I dab it on my high point of my face, like so. Little bit down my nose, bridge of my nose, top of my eyebrow. Now my cutest bow. Anything left on my brush, I can just go a little bit on my shoulder. Oh my god, look at this glow. Love it. Again, beauty blender. Just make sure everything is blended. It's so easy, this makeup is just easiest thing, and I love it for summer holiday. You can do this makeup in like 5, not 10 minutes. I am talking now, that's why it takes a little bit more time, but you can just check it in and out of the door. Okay, and a little bit on here. Love it. Okay, that's that. And here then I'm going, because it's all cream product, I don't want to move on my face, so then here I'm going with little tiny bits of powder bronzer. What I'm using today is Stilla, which look like that, is a matte bronzer, it's number medium. And I take my beautiful bronzer brush by Realtechniques, or is a blush brush, but and then very lightly and gently I build up what I create with the cream product. Just here, I'm not coming to here because I want to put blusher, but liquid blush, just a little bit down here. And now, before I put away my bronzer, I am going with fluffy brush. This is by Sigma Buff and Blend E39. Directly go to my bronzer and then doing in my crease. The other eye. Little bit under my eye. Just with one brush. That's it. And then for blusher, here again I have Nip and Fab liquid brush. One is like peachy color, one is pinky. I'm using this pinky. Just one drop, back of my hand. And then I take a small brush again. This apple of my cheek. I'm looking viewfinder as a mirror. Beauty blender and dab it in. And then I am gonna do my eyebrow brush. I brush my eyebrows upwards. I have to dye my eyebrows a little bit lighter. And then I am going with Diego dalla Palma eyebrow gel to set my eyebrow upwards. I love bushy eyebrows. Who doesn't? Eyebrows done. And then here I'm going with Hourglass powder. This is Ambient. Radiant light to set just center of my face. My T-zone look like that because I don't want to be very like shiny. I just leave everywhere else. And then this powder is like a butter. I love it. My smile line. And then same brush, I am going with Byterry powder. This one is very fine powder like that. Only little bit under my eyes to not crease. That's that. And then I'm going with Bad Gal Bang by Benefit Mascara. Just a little bit out of corner of my eyes. I don't use the waterproof mascara. I don't like it at all. So, but if you want, you can. Just a touch, not heavy at all. Because if you're in the sun, you got sunglasses on. Anyway. And I'm not applying my bottom lashes, just the top one. And then to my lips, I am using Urban Decay lip liner. It's called Rush. It's just my lip color, nothing too much, just a little bit. Then with my finger, and then I am going with Byterry Balm de Rose lip balm because we need the hydration. Oh my god, I love this lip balm so much. You don't need to be Byterry, you can use anything you have. And then we can go with more glow on a lip. Here I have Glow Topshop one. It says Glow Gleam. I don't know if they do that one more, but they changed the packaging. But anything like a champagne color will do. And then, can you see the glow? I just dip my finger a little bit. That's it. And then I take my bronzer brush. I use just anything left on the brush. Just bring it down my neck because we don't want to see this line. I hate it. You can see I have a little small pimple here. I don't mind. I don't want to put like loads of foundation to cover that. This is very like nice and glowy makeup. Yeah. Then look at the shoulders. I love the glow on the shoulders and collarbone. Oh my god. Yes, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me the thumbs up. And yes, and I see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.